Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes keyboard typing wrong characters in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Language and Region. Click three dots under Language, click Language Options. Remove other language keyboards. Click Add a keyboard, select and install US QWERTY. Remove other keyboard. Click Language and Region, click Time and Language. Click Typing, click Advanced Keyboard Settings. Select Use Language List Recommended. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.